Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn union and union all in SQL Server and what is the major difference between union and union all. So let's start with the union first. So union performs a distinct on our result set and it eliminates any duplicate rows which are there present in our tables. While union all does not remove duplicates and keep all the records from table. So suppose if we have one table and if we have 6 records in one table and 7 records in the second table. So what will happen if we will perform union all? It will give the all records from both the table, which is sum of 6 plus 7, which is 13. But if we will perform union, then what will happen? It will only give us the unique records and will eliminate any duplicate rows. So the major difference between union and union all is union keeps unique records while union all does not. So therefore union all is much faster than union since it is not eliminating any rows. So let's see this quickly into the action. So we are using two tables here. So our first table is table employee. So let's see the data first of table employee. So as you can see here, we have 5 columns, which is employee name, salary, ID, gender, and department ID. And we have only 6 records here. And as you can see here, we have ID 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. We don't have 1 and 4 here. So now our second table is table employee 1. So let's run this code as well. Now here we have 7 rows and we have 5 columns. So as you can see here, we have ID 5, 9, 1, 4, 6, 8, 2. So we don't have ID 3 here. So let's run this code together to see data in both the tables. So as you can see here, some of the entries are present in both the tables. So let's see the example of this particular entry where employee name is Avinav. So Avinav is present in both the tables. So what will happen if we will apply union? It will discard the duplicate row and will give us only one row. While if we will perform union all, it will give both the rows to us. So let's perform union first. So before performing these operations, we need to ensure that our data structure should be same for both the table. As you can see here, we have 5 columns here and in here as well, and our column names are also same. So let's run this code. Now as you can see here, it has given us the only unique records. So earlier we were having this Avinav entry twice in both the table. Like we were having Avinav in first table as well and in second table as well. But after performing union, it discarded all other duplicate rows and gave us only one record. As you can see here, we don't have any duplicate record for any entity. Now if we perform union all, so let's copy this code. Now here we will perform union all. So now you can see that it has given us the 13 records. So as you can see in table employee table, we have 6 records and in table employee 1, we have 7 records. So after applying union all, what happened? It gave us all the records from both the tables. So 6 record from the first table and 7 record from the second table, which is 13. So union all will give us the all records, even if we have duplicate records. As you can see, Avinav is here as well and here as well. When we perform union, it only gives us the unique record from both the table. So major difference between union and union all is union keeps unique records while union all does not, and therefore union all is much faster than union. So hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.